How to fix Gmail queued email. So if you're sending a mail to someone and if it says queued email, then what you need to do is open up your Gmail application and go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings. Now choose a specific email in which you're facing the problem. Scroll all the way down and here you will have sync Gmail option. So uncheck that box and then tap on OK. And after that, remove everything from your background and then you need to restart your device. And after restarting, you need to simply again go with your Gmail, open up your Gmail and go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar. Scroll down, go with settings and choose the account. Scroll down and go with the sync Gmail, toggle it on, and now you can go and check your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Gmail queued email problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.